If you're looking to use TeamGate CRM for marketing, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how you can make the most of the software for your marketing efforts. But stick around, because I'll also reveal some powerful alternatives that might serve you even better at the end. Let's dive in. First thing you'll notice about TeamGate is its intuitive interface. It's designed to streamline the marketing process, offering a simple yet effective way to track leads, manage campaigns, and gain insights all in one place. Whether you're a small team or a growing business, the ease of use will help you focus more on marketing strategies than learning the software. Next thing, let's talk about lead management. With TeamGate CRM, you can create automated pipelines that guide leads through various stages. This feature is especially useful for marketing teams, as you can tailor your messages based on where the lead is in the pipeline. But here's the thing, while the automation works well, it's not as customizable as some other CRMs, so if you're looking for heavy customization, it might fall short. The third thing is marketing analytics. TeamGate gives you some solid insights into how your marketing campaigns are performing. You can track email open rates, conversions, and lead behavior. However, compared to competitors like HubSpot, the analytics are fairly basic. You won't get the same deep dive analysis or AI-driven predictions some other platforms offer. Another thing to keep in mind is the email marketing tool. It's an effective feature, but it lacks the advanced functionality that others like ActiveCampaign bring to the table. You can create and send campaigns, but if you're looking for more complex automation and segmentation, you may need to look elsewhere. The fifth thing to note is TeamGate's integration capabilities. It connects with a variety of third-party tools, which is great if you're already using platforms like Google Analytics or social media management tools. However, it doesn't have as many integrations as other CRM platforms like Salesforce or Zoho, so if you're using a less common tool, you might encounter some limitations. Finally, the customer support from TeamGate is generally responsive, but it can be hit or miss depending on the time zone or the complexity of your issue. Some users have noted that it takes a bit longer to get detailed responses for specific marketing questions. Now, while TeamGate CRM does a lot of things well, especially for smaller businesses or those just getting started with CRM, it's not perfect for all marketing needs. That's why I'm going to share an alternative that might just take your marketing to the next level. Stick around because through our link, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial to the software, which you can use to see if it's the right fit for you. And we've also included some amazing alternatives that could better align with your marketing goals, and they come with their own free trials too. Make sure to check the description for the link to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available to our viewers only. Thanks for watching, and if you're serious about improving your marketing, this is a video you don't want to miss.